Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to save your mobile photos in Google Drive. Okay, for photos and video, you can use another application by Google, which is Google Photos. But if you want to upload or save your photos in Google or Drive only, I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone screen. So let me open Google Drive. Okay, so I just open my Google Drive. Okay, so here you can see the four tab, which is home, where you can find your recent usage or recent open it file. Here started, where you can see the your started file and folder, share it folder in share it tab. Here you can see the all shared files and folder by others to you. And in files tab, this is like home page of your drive, and you can see your all folders and files here. So first you have to log in with your account. You can log in from here, or you can add another account from here. So now if you want to upload photos, you can create folders for your photos. Okay, if I click on this three dot, okay, this plus icon, you can create folders for photograph files and photos. So I want to create folders for photos, so I just name it like photos of mine, whatever, and just create. So I just create the folder. So now you have to find out this folder from here. So it is like, okay, this is my folder. I have to open it. Now we are into my folder. So now you can upload the photos here. Okay, you can upload photos is home tab, but it is will be very complicated. You have to find out, it will be mixed to the another application folders and file. So it is better to create the new folders for photos and this particular file types, and you can upload the photos here. Okay, so the folder was photos of mine. Okay, so just open it. Now you are into the folder, because there is a name of folder, and now we are into folder. Now I can click on this plus icon and upload the files. Now your gallery will be open, or your file manager will be open. Now you can upload files from here or photos from here. Okay, you can directly go to the your internal memory from here, and you will find all folders. Now you select the folder where you have photos. So now just select photos. Okay, first photos you have to select by holding for 1 second, and rest of you can select by just tapping. Okay, you can see I just first image I can select to hold for 1 second, and then I can tap easily and select all. You can select all from here also. Okay, there is the option to select all, but if you want to select randomly, then first select by holding 1 second, then you can select randomly like this. And now click on select button, then all images will be uploaded to your folders on Google Drive. If you don't find your photos like this, so you directly upload folders from your file manager. So go to the your file manager, or open your file manager. Now just go to the internal memory or external memory, whatever you have. Now just find the folder where you have the this image. So I have this folder, download folder, where I have my images. Now I can upload multiple images to my Google Drive directly or one by one. So first you have to select image by tapping 1 second, and now you can select multiple images like this. And now go to the share and select the Google Drive from here. Now this is your all files. This is your Google Drive account. You can change your account from here. This is folder. This is by default selected, but you can change from here. Just click on this tiny arrow. Now just come to the back. Now you'll see all folder. Now select the folder. So okay, so I just select the folder photos of my office and just select. So now just save, then all files and folder or photos will be uploaded here. So it will be uploaded in background. You can see the 6 files or photos has been uploading. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.